What up, vlog? We're out here at Cahaba River Park. Maybe you can see the river over there. Such a beautiful, serene place to ride, and get ready for a little course preview. Scoping out race day lines and the new paved road. Beautiful paved road from Shelby County. They did a great job making it feel not so far out in the boonies. But Cahaba River Park's just a beautiful area. Great bathrooms, electricity, and awesome pavilion. Plenty of room for festivities, which that's what the Hammies loves.
So many activities.
Started right here. Like, boom. Everyone was parked on the side of the road. And then jumped in right here. Rust bucket. Floating leaf.
Kind of the same shot.
What?
If I put my GoPro on my backpack.
Flying squirrel. All right, Kenny Griffin. Yeah, it's a little sketchy. What up, vlog? Yeah. Okay, that has gotta be getting good footage.
Whoop, my bad.
Yeah, this is a good one. Peaceful, easy feeling. Hammy's bike protector. Keeping my bike looking nice.